In manufacturing and retail, warehousing and shipping, the Raymond Basics Altra Lift hand pallet truck is a proven performer, the heavy lifter that's light on your budget. The Ultra Lift hand pallet truck is built for durability with solid nylon fork tip entry rollers and self-lubricating bushings at all pivot points to minimize wear and tear. It's built for tough jobs with a 5,500-pound capacity. It's built for all-day ergonomics with a comfortable teardrop handle and our super easy 3-position load control lever. And it's built for your needs, available in a variety of configurations and colors to fit your retail, shop, or warehouse operation. In the store, the warehouse, the loading dock, and on your trucks, the Raymond Basics Ultra Lift pallet truck is a proven top-line performer with bottom-line value. And available for quick shipment from our nationwide network of sales and service centers, or available for purchase online at raymondcorp.com.